Hey everyone, Tony Zargami with Zargami Group at Keller Williams Classic Realty. I am super excited to share this listing with you today. The reason I'm super excited is it is literally hot off the presses. And by hot off the presses, I guess I mean we just launched it live on the MLS. Like, click submit, we're ready to go. This is a little bit different. This is a vacant piece of land that my team has as our brand new listing. Land like this doesn't come up very often for sale. The address of this property is 12821 Upper Manatee River Road. And I want to show you this green luscious area. This is 11 acres and it's got 1,200 feet of waterfront on the Manatee River. This undeveloped land is ready for so many different uses. Right here is the Baptist Church, if you know that, on Upper Manatee River Road. There's a newish construction community right across the street, so sewer, utility lines, everything is right there and ready to hook up if you're interested in that. There are a number of different things you can do with this land, which is why it's so exciting. You can split this into several lots and build several properties, several single family homes. You can make it as many stories as you want on the property with quite a bit of land, which is unusual, right? As land is getting more and more scarce, you don't find properties that can have a lot of acreage. So you can do that. You can also commercially develop this land. We've been told that you can build up to a 30-unit apartment building on this property. We were also told you can use it for commercial use. So if you potentially have a developer that's looking to build some sort of strip mall, you can do that as well. And the views are just wonderful. So here's the 11 acres. Here's the parcel of land right here. There's actually a private lagoon in the middle of the property as well, which is really unique. And I want to pop you guys onto the map and show you where on the Manatee River this is. So this is the portion of the Manatee River that the land is on. It's all right here. And as we back this out, you will see that it flows right into the larger portion of the river and right out to the Tampa Bay and right into the Gulf, which is pretty amazing. So that's our newest listing. We have a survey that's on the way. So if you guys want any additional information or would like to schedule a private tour of the land, let me know. You can also see all of our virtual houses at zargamigroup.com. I'll talk to you soon.